All right, day whatever, I don't know, people. Make it Hakodate, Japan. As you can see, it's getting cold. Colder. It's probably about 49, 50 degrees right now. A little breeze. You see the ambulance down there. No telling. We're going to just walk around and see what we can get into today. No excursion, so we are on our way. Here we go, headed down here. It's about the length of the ship. Well, maybe half the ship. Yeah, so much for that walking around. We decided to take a trip over to the observation tower. It was about $9 a person to go up to the top. That's for adults. Kids were a little cheaper. It was a great view of the city. You already know my fear of heights was kicking in. This is a sight of the fortress from above. The Goryokaku Fortress was built in the 19th century. Headed out of the tower now to go walk around the fortress for a little bit. It definitely looked a lot smaller from up in the observation tower. That was a lot of fun in the Goryokaku Tower, something like that. Up there, my fear of heights was kicking in, but I enjoyed it. Now we're walking around down in the fortress area. You see B Weezy walking down a hill. It was so peaceful here. Now maybe I could have taken a nap if I had found me a chair or something to sit down. I probably could have taken a nap. Here's a shrine that you could go in. It was about $5 to go in. They gave you some protective covering for your shoes so you don't mess up the shrine. Is that B Weezy playing Pokemon Go again? Nope, it's me. There's just too much history here in Japan. We're starting to pull away now, but man, I want to come back and spend a few days. Just a few snacks we picked up along the way. Just left Hakodate in Japan. Came on board for dinner. We're having huli chicken, barbecue chicken. It looks delicious. Looks like one of the best meals I'm gonna have on this trip. It's like barbecue chicken, pineapple rice. He can't even wait to eat. My goodness, this looks good. Of course, we're a little hungry today also, so we didn't go to a restaurant in town. He's still going. I finished mine. It was delicious. It absolutely was delicious. Wait a second, was that showtime? Getting ready for showtime?
Good evening to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back again to beautiful Bella Restaurant. I hope you're enjoying the food.